Hey guys, we have a special unboxing. I took a lot of the wrapping off already. This is from our channel supporter, Jonathan, aka Christina Marino, because he's taken over her account because, unfortunately she passed away, but in loving memory, he keeps that name. So this was sent from Scotland. It's a big box. What's in here, Huts? I don't even think I need the scissors, which is good. Oh, wow. Oh, I see James, I see Carla, I see Hudson written on here.
Hudson.
Do we do Hudson first?
Oh, wow.
Huds. More James. Oh, my God. What is all this stuff? Oh, Hudson first.
Hudson first.
Ready, Huds? This is for you from Jonathan. Oh. Oh, my God.
Oh, God.
Oh, my God.
Oh, pizza toy.
Jonathan.
It looks delicious.
Huds. What is this? What is it? What is it? We gotta wait. I'm glad I have the scissors now. Oh, my God. What is this? For Hudson.
Oh, nice job, Jonathan.
Huds,
Fantastic work.
You better come back up.
Huds, up.
Oh, he wants to go play down the wall.
Okay.
Already? All right.
Right.
Let me make sure the coast is clear.
Coast is clear.
Coast is clear, guys. Oh my God, is he excited or what? Look at this, pepperoni pizza. Show it in the camera. Oh.
Oh, terrible.
Terrible, bro.
It was a terrible job.
Oh, yeah. Look, it has like crunchy stuff. Like the crust is crunchy, and then it has 4 squeakers. Oh, I didn't do a good throw either. I hit the door. All right, drop it. Let's try to do it. One more throw. Ah, that was a good one.
Yeah, it's rolling. All right.
Oh, Jonathan, this is great.
Jonathan, he loves it.
Okay, so, pizza toy. Now for more unboxing. Let's close the door. Let's put this over
off
here.
to a good start.
Huts, come on
Hudson
back.
loves it.
You can come on back up, Huts. Or if you want to go to your bed, that's fine.
No.
All right, so,
Here, I'll pause it and get him up there.
all right, we got the pizza toy.
Oh,
Wait
he
for
loves it.
Hudson. Let's give him a treat for being such a good boy. Good boy. Now, Hudson, we have more. All right, next one's for me. It says Carla.
Oh.
Okay? Here we go. There's a bag inside a bag inside a bag. Oh my God, this I feel like Christmas.
Wow, beautiful.
This is beautiful, Carla.
Sparkly.
Oh my God, what?
Here comes Hudson.
What? No. We don't come up here. Come back down. Oh God. Just let him do what he wants.
Here. Oh. Oh. That's
beautiful
pretty.
Roses.
Nice.
So I can have some tea.
Fantastic
This is for
job.
proper British tea, right? Or
Scottish
tea.
Scottish tea.
Who knows? Whatever. That's a definitely tea. I'll keep the Hudson extra good mug for coffee, and this will be my tea mug.
Or haggis.
So now what else? Is there anything else for Hudson? Let's see. I see James. Oh, here's another one for Hudson.
Oh.
You better come back up, Huts.
Oh.
Come on. Come for your treat. And then you get another treat from
Up,
Jonathan.
Hudson, up.
Up this way. Come on. Come here. Up. Come in. Up.
Hudson.
There we go.
Hudson.
You see your treat? I'm going to tuck it in the box. But this says Hudson. Hey, James, you didn't get one yet. We'll open yours next. But Hudson's impatient. I know your pizza's there. Oh my God. Look at this.
Oh.
What is this?
Oh.
What?
Hudson.
What is this? Pet squeaky toy.
Oh.
With a paw print.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Oh, Huds. Oh, he loves it.
Oh. Oh, this is durable too.
Yeah, he'll have a tough time with that one.
You want to try going down the hall with this one?
Sure.
Or can you wait?
He can wait.
Okay, Hudson, can you wait? Sit and I'll give you a treat. Where did I tuck the treat away? Let's put this down here. Sit.
Nice job, Jonathan.
Extra
Fantastic
good,
job.
Jonathan.
Fantastic job.
Huh.
He loves it.
He loves it.
Oh,
Have a treat.
good treat.
Okay. All right, we got more unboxing. Now for James. I think it's time for James.
Oh.
What do you think, Hudson? Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're looking at that. You like that one, huh? Oh, he does.
Oh, wow.
Jonathan.
What is this? Oh, beautiful.
Oh, wow. Beautiful pens.
Oh, those are great.
And pen pack.
Nice.
It's a pack.
Oh, fantastic. Look,
Let me get it open.
look at Hutch.
He's like, I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah, I want to play.
Look, guys.
Oh,
Look how
those are great.
beautiful.
These are really beautiful, Jonathan. Fantastic job. Oh,
Extra
Hudson just
good.
licked the camera.
Oh,
Oh, those are beautiful.
extra good.
Can't wait to use those. Nice job.
And
Fantastic
now,
job.
What do you think? Another one for Carla?
Yep. Sounds good.
Wait, you gotta.
Oh,
All right, fine. Do what you want.
yep. Jonathan, fantastic job.
Look at him looking in there. Did you see
He
that?
just took his own
He
treat.
took a treat.
Oh.
Now for your, for your pen.
Oh, nice little
I can
journal.
borrow. I have my own pen now, and I have a
Or you
journal
can
and
use-
little note cards.
Oh, beautiful.
Wait, I have to open it. Oh, this is so beautiful, Jonathan. Thank you so much. Oh my God, where is Hudson going now? Hudson. Oh wait, it has another sticker on it.
Hudson's sniffing it out.
Oh wow, he's at the toy. Oh, he loves the toy. Yeah, you like that one, huh? Oh, this has lots of stickers. All right, hold on. Be patient with me, guys. I'm getting it.
Nice.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Look.
Look at him.
It's a line journal,
Oh, it's beautiful.
and then there's little notepads, and then another pen. You can borrow my notepads, James, also.
Oh, beautiful. Fantastic
So
job,
let me put
Jonathan.
this. I'm gonna display everything like this. Okay, now another one for James. What do you think?
His tail's in there.
I know what's going on over here.
All right.
Why don't we turn around this way, Hudson?
Hudson, it's not your best angle.
Come over here.
Yeah, don't let that get too near the edge.
Hudson, this is silly on the table. Ugh, ugh. God,
He's heavy.
turning him. He's like, he's 70 pounds. All right, well, he wants to face this way.
Oh, he likes his toy.
He does. He loves it. Because we didn't play. Do you see
I
what
see what he's doing. He's doing like the bell.
Oh my God. Oh, he loves it. Jonathan, these are amazing.
Yeah.
Now this one is for James. I'm opening it for you, James. Ooh. It's in a padded pack, so it might be delicate.
Padded.
Oh,
There goes
Hudson took
Hudson.
his toy.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Jonathan, don't
Matching
worry.
set.
We'll glue it. Don't worry.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, don't worry.
We got the crazy glue.
We got the crazy glue. We'll take care of that. Matching set.
Oh, beautiful.
I got the 3 pieces. Don't
Ready
worry
for
about
coffee
it.
and tea?
I mean,
We're all
listen.
set.
It traveled really well from Scotland.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay, this one says Carla.
All right, let's do a Carla. Jonathan,
Hudson's got his
fantastic
toy, by
job
the way.
making our day. So fantastic.
Oh my
Oh,
God!
no.
Oh my
Oh!
God, guys!
Woohoo!
Oh my
Oh,
goodness!
We gotta do a build.
We'll do a build. We got a lot of builds because we have to do the mini stack house.
Yeah.
The stack house,
Oh,
the
man.
mini stacks, not stack house, mini stacks that Emmy sent us from the Netherlands.
Oh, we love.
And make a portrait of Hudson with
Love
it.
London.
And now we have the architecture.
Oh.
Big Ben.
Well, we've been told of.
The Ferris wheel,
Yeah.
the
The radio tower.
and the
St.
bridge.
Paul's. Beautiful.
St. Paul's Cathedral, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh wow.
Or is it St. Peter's?
Nelson's column.
That's it. Yeah.
National Gallery, Big
Yeah.
Ben. We got that one right. London Eye, the Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
Tower Bridge. I knew it wasn't London Bridge.
Right.
Tower Bridge.
Yeah, Tower Bridge.
Oh wow! But I didn't know that was the National Gallery, and that's.
Oh,
Colby
Jonathan,
Nelson's
fantastic job.
Extra good.
Just terrific.
Hudson's jumping around behind the
You
camera.
can hear him
right away.
behind us.
Yeah.
He's jumping around.
This is one. This is another one for James.
We'll bring Hudson back over.
Yeah, we'll bring Hudson back over. You can hear the squeaky probably off camera.
Oh,
you know
what
what?
is
Let's take this box out of the way because that will look a lot nicer, won't it? Without the box.
Pizza toy for Huds. London Lego.
Yeah. So I'm gonna.
Coffee
I'm
mugs.
I'm
Pen
a-
set.
I'm arranging
Pens
everything.
for Jim.
Right.
Just beautiful.
Let me arrange everything.
Oh.
And we don't need the scissors right now. Oh, see, this is looking really nice now.
Here, I'm gonna pause it.
All right, Hudson, I got your toy away from you. Here's your treat. Come on back up. And
Oh, he loves his new
you can play
toy.
with your new toy. We promise.
He loves
oh,
his new
back up
toy.
again.
Oh, easy Huds.
Easy.
Easy, Huds.
Easy. Okay, sit. And I already unboxed James's watch. It looks
Oh,
like.
wow.
Looks like it could be a watch. This says for James, but I
Oh.
didn't undo it.
Oh. Oh, man. Beautiful.
Wow. Oh, so then you can. I bet it has. Wait. Oh, awesome!
Oh, wow.
Look, it's already
Oh, that's
set
awesome.
with the proper time and everything.
That's awesome.
Oh, extra
Oh, man,
good.
Jonathan, thanks so much. No, it's a little behind.
Oh, well, we'll reset it because
Yeah,
it's
we'll
time
set-
for London time.
Oh, that's perfect.
It. Oh, that's awesome, James.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, you'll have to read the instructions. I bet there's lots of
Oh, beautiful
this?
job, Jonathan.
and
I
there's-
love it.
No, you're not going away with your toy.
Oh, man, that's so cool.
Here's another treat.
That is cool. Thanks, Jonathan. Fantastic job. There goes Hudson again.
Hudson dropped his toy.
Hudson dropped his toy. Oh, man.
So you'll have to, there's
Yeah,
an
there's a booklet.
instruction booklet
Yeah,
in
I'll
there.
set it.
Yeah, so then we can read all the features it must surely have.
Dive into it.
Yeah, so let me get that just to look nice.
I can hear Hudson playing in the background.
I can hear him.
He loves his new toy.
Okay,
Oh.
Let's get him back.
Yeah, get him back. Boop. Hang on.
Hudson. Okay, Hudson's back. Giving
He's
him
back.
another treat piece.
He's
He even got
involved.
a treat piece in James's pen set.
He's in the
Right.
center of the action.
Last gift. This is for the both of us, James.
Oh,
Oh,
J&K.
Oh no, he can't resist.
Jonathan, fantastic stuff. Make him just so happy.
Wait, Hudson, one more gift. One more gift. Then we can play. Oh, what's this?
Oh,
Packing without plastic.
oh,
Let's see. What is it?
oh, wow.
Oh,
Oh, oh man. Oh, that is so
oh
cool.
my God! Look, it's engraved, Carla
Yeah.
and James.
Here, let me get it. I got to get it where you can see it just
Oh
right.
my God!
Oh, wow. Wait, there it is. Oh,
Here,
man.
put it again. Something dark.
Yeah, no, that looks great. I got it.
You got it.
Oh, Jonathan, that is
Wow,
beautiful.
it's like laser etched.
Yeah, beautiful
oh, it's
stuff.
Gorgeous.
God.
Extra good.
Carla, what a cat. Good Jim.
Thank you so much, Jonathan. So
Jonathan,
we
fantastic
gotta
job.
go one more down the hall for Hudson's toy.
Yeah, go get him. I'll show all the stuff. Jonathan, fantastic. Can't thank you enough. Just really heartfelt, really special. Fantastic job.
All right, Hudson, come on.
Hudson, let's check if the
Come on.
coast is clear. Here he comes.
Okay. Ready? Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, coast is clear. Big shake.
Here
What
we
do you
go.
think? What do you think's the best way? See, it's like
A steering wheel.
a steering
just-
wheel.
Just, here, I'll throw it.
You want to throw it?
I'm going to try. Oh, no.
Oh, that was
Oh, there
a
it
good throw.
goes.
Wow,
Wow,
all the
the
way to
whole
the end
way.
of the hole.
Let me zoom in. Here he comes.
Huds,
Hudson.
come on. Good boy, top speed.
Oh, Jonathan.
One more.
One more. Go ahead.
What'd you do? Toss it this way?
Yeah. Oh, he loves it. Oh.
Oh, he loves it.
Come on, Hudson. 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 Hudson.
Hudson,
Just
come
go.
on. There we go.
Okay. Good job.
He's playing hard to get. Can you see this?
Yep. Oh, good job, Hudson.
Come here. So thanks so much, Jonathan.
Jonathan,
we
he's
really,
pulling.
we really appreciate all the gifts that you sent.
Fantastic
so
job.
thoughtful, extra good. We know you had such a difficult year, and we really appreciate your kindness and your love. Extra good. Just
Extra
like my shirt
good.
says.
Fantastic job. Thanks, Jonathan.
Guys, I found a card underneath all the packaging, so I have to read this. Just taking a story again. Look at this. It's a
Hudson.
beautiful, like laser etched birthday cake.
Oh. Oh, that's beautiful.
Happy birthday, Karla from Jonathan and Crystal. Crystal, rest in
Jonathan.
peace.
Jonathan, beautiful job.
So beautiful.
Fantastic
I love
stuff.
it. Look at it.
Yeah, no, it's great.
Extra good. Thank you, Jonathan. Good boy. Top speed.
Oh, Jonathan.
One more.
One more. Go ahead.
What'd you do? Toss it this way?
Yeah. Oh, he loves it.